Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the PVG Enterprise Electric Knife Sharpener. This is a cordless knife sharpener that can be used to sharpen knives, scissors, screwdrivers and small hand tools and even household tools. It includes catch tray for metal shavings as well. It's pretty easy to use over here. Instructions are given on how to use it. This is different for knives, screwdrivers, scissors and household tools. Over here it's written professional grade, high speed rotating, sharpening stone, sharpens and hones the blade's edge. Built-in guide holds the blade at the perfect angle and catch tray collects metal shavings. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. This is a set of instructions for this particular device which you should read at least once. Everything that you want to know you will find in this particular document. And we'll keep this over here. This is a tray in question for when you want to collect all the shavings after, metallic shavings after you have sharpened your tools. And this is the PVG Enterprise Electric Sharpener. This requires batteries. In fact, this requires 4 AA batteries over here, as you can see. Right now I don't have any, but I will show. If I find them, I'll show them to you. And this is the button that you use to start this particular device. It's very lightweight and it's very light and super compact as well. It's a very small device. Not just that, you can actually take this wetting stone, take this particular device off. I'll show you the wetting stone. So there you go. This is the wetting stone in question. This is what you will use, rotate rather to sharpen all your tools. I'll put this back in and let me find 4 AA batteries quickly. So I have with me 4 AA batteries. I'm going to insert them into this flap over here. It says plus minus plus minus, so that's what we're going to do. So plus minus plus, plus and minus. Time to close this hatch and we should be ready to go now. Let's try this. I will remove this and show you the whetstone properly. Unfortunately, I don't have tools to sharpen with me. That's why I can only show you the whetstone. You should be able to see it spinning now. Yeah, that's about it. Not just that, this particular module has a lot of signs on it. So there's a scissor sign over here, the screwdriver signs over here, and there's a knife sign over here as well. So the idea is that you attach the tools in these different slots, different slots for different tools, of course, and then you press this button and the tool should get sharpened. Additionally, you can pull this and take it off as well for cleaning, etc. And not just that, you also have this tray for when you want to collect the metallic shavings that come out of this particular device. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the PVG Enterprise Electric Knife Sharpener. Thank you for watching.